Here's my number one hack that I got from my lovely mother-in-law to kick a cough and a runny nose for my kids. Elise, what did I put on your bedside table when you had your cough and cold?
Onion.
Onion. So you just cut up an onion in half, striate it, leave it overnight beside their bed. I found that was amazing. And I also find taking the pineapple skin, you need to soak it in baking soda to make sure all the pesticides are gone, but you boil the pineapple skin and the stem, add a little cinnamon, add a little bit of star anise, and it makes a really nice tea with a little bit of honey, and I found that really helped with their cough. So those would be my top 2 tips that I could think of right now.